Director General of the Inter-Services Public Relations Lieutenant General Ahmed Sharif Chaudhry visited the University of Azad Kashmir in Muzaffarabad and held a special interaction with the students, said the Inter-Services Public Relations. During the session, the students reaffirmed their commitment to the Kashmir cause, stating that Kashmir is the lifeline of Pakistan and we will reclaim it at all costs. Pakistan and Kashmir are inseparable, and the day is not far when Kashmir will be ours. The students also paid tribute to the Pakistan Army. All Parties Hurriyat Conference has given a complete shutdown call on Sunday, July 13, to mark the Kashmir's Martyr Day in occupied Kashmir. All the pro-freedom leaders and organizations have supported the shutdown to commemorate the martyrdom of the 22 Kashmiris who were killed by the forces of the Dogra ruler on July 13, 1931. The APHC has also asked the people of the occupied territory to conduct a march towards the martyrs' graveyard in Srinagar to offer Fatiha for the departed souls. New Delhi controlled State Investigation Agency along with the Indian paramilitary and the police personnel has carried out search operations at several locations in occupied Kashmir to harass and terrorize the people under the black laws. The SIA and other forces personnel during search operations raided several houses in Handwara, Jammu and Doda of the territory with the fake cases registered by the Indian police on the individuals for supporting the freedom struggle. People's Democratic Party in occupied Kashmir, while paying tribute to the martyrs of July 13, 1931, has said that this day is a symbol of struggle of the Kashmiri people against oppression and injustice which cannot be forgotten under any circumstances. The PDP at a meeting in Srinagar unanimously resolved to visit the Mazar-e-Shuhada on 13th July to pay tribute to the martyrs. Indian National Congress chapter in occupied Kashmir has announced the plans to intensify the campaign for the restoration of the statehood. Occupied Kashmir chapter party president Tariq Hamid Kara, speaking to the media in Srinagar, said the campaign is already underway across the territory and will now enter a more focused phase. Former President of the Azad Kashmir and senior diplomat Sardar Masood Khan has said that the long-standing unresolved Kashmir dispute holds a prominent place in Pakistan's foreign policy. Sardar Masood Khan in an exclusive interview spoke in detail about Pakistan's foreign policy and Pakistan's efforts to resolve the Kashmir dispute. Foreign Minister Ishaq Dar has said that India cannot stop or divert Pakistan's water. Ishaq Dar, while addressing the Pakistani community in Kuala Lumpur, said the airspace was closed to India when it suspended the Indus Water Treaty after the Pahalgam false flag operation.